Insurance lapses occur when you have a vehicle registered in your name but do not have liability coverage for that vehicle. In many states, there are fines or penalties issued by the DMV for insurance lapses. In our home state of New York, your vehicle registration can be suspended for a lapse of insurance for the same number of days that the lapse occurred. If the lapse was longer than 90 days, your license can also be suspended. To remove a vehicle registration suspension, you may be able to pay a civil penalty. However, be aware that this can be costly. In New York, the penalty fee is $8 per day for a lapse lasting under 30 days, $10 per day for an additional 30 days, and then $12 per day for 30 days after. For example, if your insurance lapse lasted 35 days, you may have the following options: pay a civil penalty of $290 and not turn in your plates, or surrender your plates and serve a registration suspension of 35 days. You may only pay to remove a suspension if your insurance lapse was less than 91 days and you have not already paid a civil penalty in the last 3 years. You may be subjected to other penalties and consequences as well. Your vehicle can be impounded if you operate it without liability insurance. If your uninsured vehicle is involved in a traffic accident, the DMV may revoke your license and registration for at least a year, and the traffic court fine could be as much as $1,500 for driving without insurance or allowing another person to drive your uninsured vehicle. If your license is revoked, you will also need to pay the DMV a $750 civil penalty to restore your driver's license. Lastly, to make matters worse, if you allow your insurance to lapse, your insurance rates in the future may be significantly increased. If your vehicle does not have auto liability insurance on it, you must surrender your vehicle plates to the DMV immediately. Remember this rule: no insurance, no plates, and no driving the vehicle. If you wish to cancel your insurance, you should turn in your plates, then submit proof to your insurance company by providing them with a document from the DMV.